In today's video, we're going to take a look at the XLF, and I'm going to start with a weekly chart because that's where I found what I like to call a Fibonacci price cluster. Price cluster is the coincidence of at least 3 Fibonacci price relationships that come together within a relatively tight range to identify either, key support or key resistance. So it was key support this time around. And you can see that the zone came in at this 24.48 to 25.05 area. And if we look at it a little bit more closely, I can tell you where some of it came from. 1, 2, 3 symmetry projections are the ones in red. Retracements of prior swings are the ones that we have in blue. And extensions of prior swings, actually you'll see in green, like a 1618 extension of a prior swing. There's another couple extensions down here. Well, we've obviously already rallied off of this area. So you're a little bit late to the party at this moment. However, you have a pullback to the recent low. And if that low is any good, we should hold on a pullback to it. And the potential upside target off of this setup zone is up to this 3177 area. Okay. So there's not a ridiculous amount of risk if you look at, this pullback for an entry. But let me show you one more thing that will help to show you whether or not we are indeed resuming the rally here. And that's going to come in off of this daily chart work. If you take 100% of this prior rally swing and project it from the low, that gives you 2681. If you run the retracement of this prior swing, gives you 618 retracement at 2691. So the way that I'm going to look at it is that if we can push through this area, that is a stronger indication that this low might be more important. And then in that case, ideally we start heading up towards that target. And when am I wrong? Well, I'm wrong if it breaks underneath the support decision.